Hey guys, Tamno here. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Naturium's Dew Glow Moisturizer SPF 50 Sunscreen PA++++. If this is something you're interested in, then make sure to keep on watching. I'm sure you guys are wondering, yeah, how did you get it? If you're in Europe, you can shop these products from the links in the description box. They basically ship to your doorstep. Shout out to Sam by the Counter for sharing where I could get Naturium's products. So you're wondering what I got. I got the sunscreen and the body lotion. I won't be reviewing the body lotion now. The main focus right here is the sunscreen. Naturium changed the cover of their sunscreen, which gives you the 1/4 teaspoon, so you can be able to measure your sunscreen. I don't know if what I have here has that same packaging. Let me open it up. It has it! This is so good. Like, good job, Susan Yara. I don't want you guys to, complain that you don't have 1/4 teaspoon, okay? This sunscreen retails for $22 for 50 ml. It's said to be a chemical sunscreen with broad spectrum and it leaves one with a dewy radiant finish. So if you're not into dewy radiant finish sunscreens, this one is not for you. However, I read that Naturium is coming out with a matte version for this sunscreen. So oily skin girlies, if you don't want to get your hands on this, be patient, it'll be out soon. I'm also excited and I can't wait to also try the matte version out. Okay, time for hand swatch. There we go. So it's a thick cream. Oops, got it on my lips. Time to blend in. I want to give it some time to sink in. It's glowy, guys. Not my kind of glow, but it is glowy. So this is what it looks like after being blended in nicely. With sunscreen, without sunscreen. There's a difference, guys. There is a difference. So time for face application. Here I'm not going to be using my normal measuring spoon. I want to try and use this cap, but I need to sanitize it first. Now it's clean. I will try and see how many pumps can fit in here and I'll let you guys know. I'm going to dab my face with a clean paper towel. All I have on my face today is just moisturizer, okay? And if you're wondering what moisturizer I use, to check the link in the description box. It's by Laneige, by the way. So to make this really easy for some people who don't want to use the dipping, and for those who don't have the dipping on the cover, it takes 8 pumps. 8 pumps to give you 1/4 teaspoon if you're using Naturium's sunscreen. 8 pumps only, and you have that for your face and ears. But for people like me who like to apply to your face, ears and neck, you're going to have to do 16 good pumps, okay? Yeah, so let me apply this on my face. So nice. Like, see how easy. So this pretty much looks like a 1/4 teaspoon in my opinion. My ears are covered today, so this will just be going only on my face. Let's see how glowy this is going to turn out. I'm looking forward to seeing if this is going to sting my eyes. This is glowy, guys. No sting. This is a glowy sunscreen. I find it greasy, actually. I find it greasy. It's giving me Bondi Sands, giving me the new Cosrx sunscreen. See how shiny they are? So I'm going to take you guys outside now so you see what my face looks like with natural light. First impressions. Ooh, wait, hold on, my eyes. Oh, okay. You gonna stink your eyes, baby. This is a glowy sunscreen. Already tells you dewy glow. It tells you it's gonna give you like a radiant dewy finish or dewy radiant finish. So it has cleared the table. In terms of how this feels, it's lightweight, thick and creamy sunscreen. Skip a moisturizer, which is why it's called a moisturizer sunscreen or a moisturizer SPF. So make sure you skip moisturizer if you are applying this. In terms of how this smells, I don't think I smelled anything. No single fragrance in my opinion, but let me just check. I can't actually pick any scent. I'm trying to sniff hard. I can't pick anything. This sunscreen is fragrance free, alcohol free, as well as essential oil free. What type of sunscreen is this? This is a chemical sunscreen. Sunscreen filters are homosalate at 10%, octisalate at 5%, and avobenzone at 3%. Other ingredients includes niacinamide, ascorbic acid, tocopherol, bisabolol, glycerin, squalane, sodium hyaluronate, and so on. So who's this best recommended for? The brand recommends this to those who have sensitive skin, dry skin, aging skin, and combination skin. In my opinion, I recommend this to those who have dry skin, normal skin, and acne prone skin that is dry. If you have combination skin, oily skin, and acne prone skin that is oily, this would be nice for you to use when it's winter. In summer, you're going to look like a grease ball, in my opinion. To be honest, this looks nice even after putting it on a moisturizer, but then I dabbed my face with a paper towel, so you can't really see the moisturizer. It's lightweight on the skin. I don't feel like I have anything on my face, to be honest. That's how it feels. But I can see the glow when looking at the mirror. But on my skin right now, to be honest, I feel like I have nothing on, which is a good thing. But I feel like in 2 hours I'm going to be a lot more shiny than I am, and I'll be showing you guys that soon when it's exactly 2 hours. Will I repurchase this sunscreen? To be honest, no, I won't repurchase it. So I really look forward to the matte version of this sunscreen. I can't wait for it actually. Overall, this is a good sunscreen. It's just not something that I'll reach out for when the weather is, really hot. Does this sting the eyes? To be honest, if this gets into your eyes, you are going to get that feeling that something is in your eyes. Like your eyes will get watery. This eye is kind of red. I don't know if you guys can see it. And this one is starting to act weird. Like, yeah. I don't think I've seen anyone that has said this stings their eyes, but this stings my eyes, sadly. But I'll give it another try to see. Hi guys, so it's a little over 2 hours. I think it's about 2 hours 30 minutes or 45 minutes, and here's what my face looks like. I have cried a lot today because this sunscreen stung my eyes pretty badly, but I just want to give you guys an update. I'm not going to be able to reapply it on camera. I have things to do, so I'm just going to quickly clean my face and apply. I know I look shiny, yes, you can see it, plus the sun hitting my skin. I look good, but it doesn't feel like I have anything on my skin, if that makes sense. There's shine, I don't feel heavy. It's more like you're just seeing the glow, but I don't feel anything at all, if that makes sense. So maybe another day I will apply and reapply this sunscreen and let you guys know what I think in the description box. So make sure you check it out for an update from me. This is more of a winter sunscreen for me. Yes, you can definitely wear this in spring, but for summer I am not sure. I look forward to the matte version. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it, subscribe down below. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching, and do have a wonderful week.